As we wrap up Chapter 3 here, I want to leave you with a discussion of templates. And templates, most people have a pretty good understanding of what a template is. It's something that can be reused over and over again so that you don't have to reinvent the wheel and don't have to duplicate work. And you can create your own from scratch here is what I want to point out. And then I also want to just kind of get you nudged in the right direction about how they can be used and where you can get more. So let's say, for example, that you've spent a lot of time on a document. You've worked on it so long you want to reuse it or use it as a template because you spent a lot of time tweaking the text and getting your picture formatted just so, and you've made some saves to it that you like, and like the next time I send this out, all I really need to do is change the title or change who it's to. This is especially helpful as you are sending out letters and things like that. So what you can do is you can save it as a template, and the way you would do that, of course, is to go to the Office button and save it as the word template. We saw this in the introductory module. Now let's save this as, and we'll just give this VTC, and this will save as a Word template, which means that it will save as a .docx file extension. It is not a Word 2007-2003 template, it's a Word 2007 template file. So let's click on Save. Now let's use this template later on. So pretend now that I've shut down the computer, I've started to use this again, I've got to create another letter the same day or another document that's going to look just almost exactly similar to this one. So again, use the Office button. And what you should see in the new document dialog box here is that you should see a listing of most of your templates, including blank and recent, installed templates, my templates. And if you click on, I didn't want to click on my templates, new from existing is what I wanted to click on here. And if I scroll down and found one of my templates here, there's the template that I just created, and create new. And now you can see that this is document 2. It's a new document, but it looks exactly like what I created that template from. And of course, now that you've actually used the template, if I go back to the Office button and click on New, I should be able to see it in my blank and recent section here, and there indeed is where it is, recently used templates. There's VTC, and of course the file extension, as you can see, is vtc.docx. Now, that's one way you can use the templates. Also, there are lots that are available from Microsoft Office Online. So assuming you have an internet connection, you can click on some of the buttons down here, featured agendas, award certificates, and so on. And you can look through tons and tons of templates. Residential property sale contract. So if you're selling your house or something like that, or if you're contracting someone to do some work for you, there are some contract templates that you can use. All you got to do is click on Download, and you'll then be given this dialog box, which will validate your copy of Office. So assuming that you have a legal copy of Office, it won't be any problem. You'll download and grab that. I'm going to cancel out this right now because from there it's pretty straightforward. You'll just download and the document will open up within a Word window and you can start to work on it, fill in the blanks and so on. There's another way to access some of your templates, and also, as I said, just kind of get you nudged in the right direction with use of templates, is that you can use the help system here, the Office Word help, the little circle with the question mark in it, the blue thing on the right hand side of the ribbon. We'll launch this, and assuming you're connected to Office Online once again, you can just type in a search for templates. And not only will you get help on changing templates or creating applying templates, you will also see from Office Online a list of templates. So test templates, telephone consultation forms, real estate client updates. So if you were looking for a certain kind of template, just go ahead and type in the type of template you're looking for, and the Word help system will search online for those templates. Another way that you can use this is you can actually visit Microsoft Office Online, and here in a web browser I've done exactly that. So if you go to office.microsoft.com and hit enter, you will be given, actually that's the home page for office.microsoft.com, and notice here how it looks almost exactly the same as the ribbon, especially this part up here. Notice that you have tabs now, and you can just go over to your templates tab. And great idea, by the way. You have both the online experience and the local experience of using Office look almost exactly the same. So in your templates now you have a place where you can search for specific templates. You can of course browse for templates. So if you want to look for maybe calendars, you want to create a 2006 or 2007 calendar. There are lots of pre-populated calendars both in Word documents or even in PowerPoint presentations. So calendar with room for notes, 2007 calendar, and so on. And then once again, it's just a matter of downloading the template. You might be prompted for an ActiveX control the first time you do this, which of course it has been installed successfully. I've done this before. So now it'll prompt you to save it. So Microsoft Templates, take the default location, trust me on that one, and the file name you probably aren't going to want to change either. But once you download that template, you will be able to use it. So here you go. You can create your template, or you can create your calendar based on the template here. So this is Brian's schedule, something like that. We'll go ahead and give it a save, and we'll just call it notes here. I don't want to take the time. That's fine. Saving this actually as a 2003 document here. Or actually, no, as a 2007 document. It was downloaded as a Word 2007-2003 template. But what's important here is not the actual template that I've created. What I want to show you instead is that I can go back to any document now, or just go back to the Word application and create a new document here. And from this new document dialog box, what I want to point out about these templates is now if you go to My Templates and you've downloaded it from Office Online, as I've just showed you here, you should see, and this is why you take that default file location, which again I recommend that you take the default file location, is that you will see this new calendar template installed in your My Template section. So 2000 calendar with room for notes. Click on it, select OK, and bingo, you're off to the races creating a new document from a template that you grabbed from Office Online.